Now, let's demonstrate couching stitch. Insert the needle at the end. After the needle comes out, the floss points to the left. This thread is 6 strands of floss, color number 2. Next, use 3 strands of floss, color number 4. Tie a knot at the end, and then insert the needle at this fixed point. We will secure each vertical line. So this stitching method is called couching stitch. It is relatively easy to understand and operate. The spacing should remain consistent in length throughout. After we finish stitching, once we pick up the center line, at the end position, insert the needle again. After inserting the needle, the 2 floss at the back can be tied together to finish. We start with color number 4. Place it in the center position first, then wrap the floss around twice. Similarly, bring the other floss to the center position first. Then tie a knot. Now, let's take a look at the effect. It looks relatively flat.